It's based on a Margarita, so it's really good for sunny days, like sunny afternoons with your friend. Hi, my name is Arthur. I'm working at Pelicano. I'm gonna present you the Kumbaya. So it's 45 fair gin. There you go. 20 fair Kumquat liqueur. 15 coconut syrup. There you go. And 30 lime juice. Good shake. So both fair gin and fair Kumquat liqueur are from Uzbekistan and distilled in France in the region of Cognac. So it's really different. There you go.